Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to test the defrost thermostat on a Frigidaire refrigerator that's not cooling in the refrigerator section. Before we get started, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you can get notified when we post new videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always remember to disconnect your fridge by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before testing or making a repair. One of the most common causes for the refrigerator to not cool in the refrigerator section would be that there's a defrost failure. In most cases, you'll notice that there's a heavy frost buildup on the rear panel of your freezer compartment. Let's get started by accessing and testing the defrost thermostat. To access the defrost thermostat, first, we need to open the freezer door and remove the shelving. You will also need to remove the shelving rails on the left side by removing the 2 1/4-inch screws that hold them on. Then remove the 4 1/4-inch screws that hold the back panel in place. After you take the back panel off, you can find the defrost thermostat on the evaporator at the top left side. You'll need to test the defrost thermostat for continuity. To do this, set your meter to continuity and unplug the 6-pin connector located above the defrost thermostat. Then place one lead on the dark blue wire and the other on the light blue wire. Keep in mind that the temperature of the thermostat for this unit has to be about 25 degrees for it to close. If you have a multimeter with an audible tone like ours, then it should beep. If there's not an audible tone, then the meter will show a number. If it shows OL, that means that the defrost thermostat is open and is faulty. To reassemble, reconnect the plug to the thermostat. Then put the back panel in place and reinstall the 4 1/4-inch screws. Once you put the shelving and drawers back into place and plug the refrigerator back in, you're done. If your defrost thermostat tested good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out why your Frigidaire refrigerator is not cooling. If your defrost thermostat tested bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can fix it yourself. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know how the testing and repair process went. And if you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.